Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizers TV. I say this is Prizers TV, and I am here once more. I'm here because there is one important report that I brought to you today. What we are seeing is actually touristic spot in Enugu State. And today I come with 10 most beautiful tourist spots in Enugu State. And what we are looking at here is Adada River or Adada Dam, based on how you call it. But this place is one of the most beautiful places when you talk about tourist destination in Enugu State. Formerly, people used to tell me that Enugu State has more attraction centers than Lagos or Abuja or any other state in Nigeria. I did not believe it until I made my research, and after making my research and confirming it, then I say I should bring all this information to you to see, because there are so many things happening in Enugu State that people don't know about. So our first one is what we are looking at anyway. I don't have to waste so much time doing my introduction, because since there are 10 in number, no need to waste time. So let's go, and we have already started. So this is Adada Dam or Adada River, and it is a mind-blowing dam. For people who go there, sometimes people go here just to do fishing. Like this guy, he's there enjoying and fishing. But majority of the time, people go there to swim. Why? Because there is a dam by the river. And this dam is like waterfall. It is like this 247, the waterfall every day and every time. Because this place actually was built to be one of the waterfalls, no, one of the biggest dams in Nigeria. But somehow, it was abandoned. As they say, one man's meat is another person's poison, and one man's poison is another person's meat. After being abandoned, people around the area became very happier even. Now, students from University of Nigeria and Nsukka, students from ENUGU'S, students from many places in Enugu State, they go here every day, every time to do swimming and enjoy themselves. And every time, if I had money, believe me, I would have been visiting this place every day like these people. But what is the problem? I don't have money. So let's go to number 2, because I don't want to waste time. The most beautiful tourist spots in Enugu State, number 2. The most beautiful tourist destination in Enugu State, number 2, is what we are looking at. And this one is amazing. I say it is amazing. It is known as Awom Waterfall. Awom Waterfall. This waterfall is the best waterfall in Nigeria for sure. In Africa, maybe. It is still the best. And I will tell you the reason. The reason is that the waterfall you are looking at here is a cave and waterfall at the same time. And also a bush, a forest. There are people who go here for hiking. There are people who go here because of the cave. And there are people who come here for swimming. Because this is one of the deepest waterfall in the world entirely. The governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba, came here 2 months ago, and he was amazed. And after visiting this place, he said, you know what? He is going to build a canopy walk to allow other people to view what he saw here. And that is a mind-blowing. So these are people going into the waterfall or into the cave to view the water and so on and so forth. The major issue here is that for you to trek to get into this place, it will take you like 2 hours. And it is just 600 meters, not up to 1 kilometer. But you descend, climb. Governor has promised to make it easier. But sometimes people like to suffer to get to somewhere like this than when you make it easier for them. But we'll watch and see. Because in the next 6 months, there will be a canopy walk here. And there is a belief that people will fill in here to make sure that they view what is happening in Enugu State. Believe me. So let's go to number 3, because number 3 is also one beautiful, beautiful location. Well, the most beautiful tourist spot in Enugu State, number 3, is what we are looking at. And this place is a bush. As you can see, this place is actually called Enugu Pine Forest. Enugu Pine Forest. It is a very beautiful forest. as you can see it. Wow. People come here top model to take pictures, and also sometimes people come here after wedding to take pictures. Other people come for picnic, and other people come because to view this beautiful, beautiful place, because it is not everywhere in Nigeria that you will see this type of beautiful bush. Wow, this is amazing. And do you know one good thing? The place is clean and neat. It's clean and neat. Based on what we are seeing, this picture was actually taken during the wet season or rainy season, but see how clean it is. Very nice place. So let's go to number 4. Well, number 4 is what you are looking at. Anybody who has been to Enugu State must have come here before. This place is Unity Park, and it is our number 4 today. And during the Christmas, this place looks very beautiful. People, both men, women, boys, girls, child, and grown up, everybody trooping here because the place is beautiful, and also it is located right in the middle of the city. As you can see here, children, and there is everything for everybody. Here is for the adults, in case if you want to take pictures and so on and so forth. This place is one of the most beautiful places, especially during the Christmas when it's decorated in a different form. And we bring it here because people come to Enugu State during the Christmas simply because of this. This you see, children will be fed during the Xmas here. Is mind-blowing. Everything is here, including helicopter. The helicopter you see here, during the Christmas, people will be sitting here taking pictures and so on and so forth. And they will hang it on their Facebook, say they flew helicopter, which never happened. It was just a helicopter in the Unity Park. And that is nice. So let's go to number 5 because we don't need to waste time. Well, the most beautiful tourist spot in Enugu State, number 5, is what you are looking at, and this place is known as Akuke Beach in Enugu State. I know you will be wondering, say, oh, but I think there is no beach in Enugu State. And well, you are right, but you are also wrong at the same time. And that is the reason you will have to watch this video properly. Then, what you are seeing is a beach, or I will call here a dry beach. Why is it like that? Well, the reason is that there is no ocean here, but there is a river. And one amazing thing about this location is not because of the river, because there is no much water in the river. If you check here, you can actually see truck that come to pack white sand, because sand here is pure white. It's pure white. So people come here to pack the sand and use it for construction purposes. And what we are seeing is actually the water in the middle. And because of the nature of this place and how clean the place looks, and also the beautiful it looks, students used to come here to enjoy themselves and take this place as beach because it has nice sand. Look at the sand. Very nice and very clean. Most of the beaches you see in Nigeria don't have good sand. Here, they have good sand. Therefore, students prefer coming here to do party than even staying in the school. Some come here and sleep over in this bush. As you see, people used to stay here at night. This is in the middle of bush. Some come here for picnic and so on and so forth. So, and one amazing thing is that if you are somebody who like watching Flavor music, most of Flavor songs or most of his videos were actually shot here. This location you are seeing. Example of it is the one featured Umubilibo. It was actually shot here. And you would think it is in somewhere, maybe in South Africa. It is this place. This place is known as Akuke Beach. Akuke Beach. If I had money, I would have built a resort here. Believe me, because since the students have already started coming on their own, imagine if someone built a resort here. The only problem you will have is the route, how to get to this place. But apart from that, this place is going to be a very nice place for something like that. So let's go to number 6. Whoa, the number 6 is what you are looking at. And what you are looking at is a waterfall again. As I told you earlier, that a friend used to tell me that Enugu State has more tourist spots than any other state in Nigeria. You are going to confirm it after watching all these videos, because there are waterfalls upon waterfalls. The one we are located at now is known as Azimo Waterfall. Azimo Waterfall. This Azimo Waterfall is located in Nsukka, and it is one of the best waterfalls ever. Why? Because water fall here heavily. When people get here, their competition is who is going to last longer standing in the middle of Azimo Waterfall. Some could manage to stay 30 seconds, some only 1 second, some couldn't even try. Okay, like this lady, she could not try. Wow! And the water is very clean. So many people travel kilometers upon kilometers to make sure that they come to this place to do competition. And it is mind-blowing. The Azimo Waterfall is one of the best waterfalls in the world entirely. See how wide it is. To stay in the middle of Azimo Waterfall, you must have to be somehow crazy. Because this waterfall can tear your clothes. I mean what I'm telling you. It is so beautiful, and people like it a lot. People like it a lot. And I also like it, you know. So, but as I told you earlier, Bande Kudi Magara, Bande Kudi. So let's go to number 7. Well, number 7 is what we are looking at, and this is a very beautiful place. And this place is also very famous in Nigeria. Why? Because of landmark. Our number 7 today is landmark Nike Lake. Wow, this is one of the most beautiful lakes in Igbo land. Nice water. People come here just to view the water and enjoy themselves at Nike Lake Resort. There is a resort located here, which is presently owned by this man, known as Landmark. And the reason we came here is because of the lake, not because of the resort, because there are other resorts in Enugu State. But one good news about Landmark taking over the lake is, since he took over the place, clients have been booming. Everybody are now rushing to know how the Nike Lake. So right now, the place is open and work is ongoing there, because the place need renovation and also new houses and so on and so forth. So we are going to watch and see how it goes. But this place is actually very popular in Igbo land. It's one of the most famous lakes in Igbo land, if it's not the most, and that is the reason it is here. It is also a very good tourist spot in Enugu State, the Nike Lake Resort. So let's go to number 8. Well, number 8 is what we are looking at. As I told you earlier, that a friend once told me that Enugu State has more tourist spots in Nigeria than any other state, and I did not believe it. Now, do you see what I'm seeing? Now, what we are looking at is a Zago Waterfall. There are so many waterfalls in Enugu State. Look at it. People here, they are enjoying themselves, and a lot of people visit here because of this waterfall. And what I find out here is that people here are happy because the water is not deep. And you should also know this waterfall is like a river. This one is the longest waterfall ever. The place they are located here is not the end of it. So we are going to get to the end of it. This is one part of the end of it. The water is actually coming out from here and form a very, very speedy river that descend from this mountain. And it is known as a Zago Waterfall. It's a continued descending. Some people stay here like this guy. Someone is actually staying here relaxing, you know, hearing the noise of the water, while there is a woman here, I don't know whether you can see it, taking pictures. These ones don't want water to touch them. There is a man and a woman here. I don't know if you see them in the center here, you know. So it continues like that. So this is another nice places where these people are trekking into the waterfall to see the end, which I had shown you earlier. And it is amazing. It is amazing. Here, I think these people, they are tired here and they relax in the middle of nowhere, while other people are joking. I don't know what they are here, squeezing their hands. Maybe this lady got injury and this guy was trying to stretch her hand. And that is how it looks. And this place is quite beautiful. It's quite beautiful. I like Zago Waterfall. So let's go to number 9. Well, the most beautiful tourist spot in Enugu State, number 9, is what you are looking at. And this place, you have already known what it is. It is Enugu State International Conference Center. This is a very, very big tourist spot or attraction center or tourist location or attraction location. Based on anyhow you call it, this place is qualified. And one amazing thing about this conference center is that since it was launched, people have been using it day after days. People have been trooping in here. I'm not talking only about people from Enugu State. No, all over Nigeria. There is no other attraction spot in Enugu State bigger than this one currently. And you should know, this one is man-made. It's not natural. But it is very important. And not all states in Nigeria have something like this. And this is the reason this one is part of what we brought today, because it is actually mind-blowing. So let's go to number 10. Well. The most beautiful tourist spots in Enugu State, number 10, is what we are seeing. And it is another waterfall. Wow! How many waterfalls are there in Enugu State? Uncountable. Uncountable. Look at this one. Look at this one. Is like a room. A room. Now, and this one is located not far away from the Enugu town. This is one of the most important things. And here is also not very far away from the Enugu palm forest or pine forest. This one is known as Enugu Waterfall. Enugu Waterfall. It is so beautiful. Why it's so beautiful is that you can actually stand on the middle of the waterfall and see how the outside looks. Whoa, I'm even getting scared myself here. Don't get some if I'm there. So this is our number 10, and this is not the end of it, because we came with 11 anyway, but that 11 is something that we are going to talk about, because that one is very, very important. That one is much more important than anything we have shown to you here, and that one is not this one. So we are still on number 10. So let's go to our number 11, because that one is something to do with King Pharaoh, King David. All these stories in the Bible, that one is connected with it. So let's go and show you how Enugu State is connected with the Bible. So let's go. Well. What you are looking at is number 11 and the final one. I know you will be wondering, what is this? Is this not a pyramid in Egypt? No, this is not Pyramid of Egypt. This one is Nsude Pyramid in Enugu State. During the time or before pyramid was built in Egypt, people of Igbo land had already built their own pyramid. And that is exactly what we are looking at. And the pyramid, they are not one, they are not two. They are many. There are many. This is the pyramid built by our ancestors, the early men, because they wanted to reach God. During this time, nobody knew anything about Egypt. Nobody knew about King Pharaoh, King Herod, anything. These people were doing their own life and having the same thought as the people in Egypt. But what happened? Nobody heard our own. But people actually heard about what happened in Egypt. Now, the governor of Enugu State has come to say that he is going to make this place known to the world, that something like this exists in Igbo land. Therefore, he is also building a canopy walk around these pyramids, where people can come and listen to our story. The woman you see here is the first white person who took picture here. They came here and they took pictures years back and they saved it. This pyramid is still standing, although some parts need renovation. But Enugu State governor has said that he's going to renovate it and put canopy walk where is necessary, so that we, the new generation, can actually go there and look and watch what our forefathers did. And that is marvelous. Well, talking about this Pyramid, my heart is shaking. I'm telling you, it's like, what is this? Now, if you check it to here, I don't know whether you can see what I'm seeing here. It says 3 of the 10 so-called pyramid near 9 Mile Corner, Enugu. Well, that is exactly what it is. These are the 3. Okay, but there are many. There are more than 3. Some has fallen or have fallen. So, but this 3 is the picture they got, and we were talking about it. So, Governor of Enugu State said he's going to make it known to people. For people who want to hear about our story and the early life and all those things, then the people who are friends of Enugu State who come from Europe, Asia, Australia to visit Enugu State will also come here to view what happened during the time of the Bible in Enugu State. So, based on what you will see here and what I showed you, are you not amazed that Enugu State has more tourist spots than anywhere in Nigeria? Uncountable waterfalls everywhere. Beautiful. Beautiful. Rivers, lakes, resorts, even beach where students go and enjoy themselves. We also have man-made tourist spots like International Conference Center and Unity Park. So, thank you very much for watching, and believe me, anybody who is going to Enugu State for tourism is not going to regret, because the place is one of the most beautiful places when it comes for tourism. And I have agreed that there is no other state in Nigeria to challenge Enugu State. If you have it, bring it up. So I will talk about it. So see you on my next video. You've been watching Prizers TV.